We've all been there. An unexpected bill arrives. Maybe you lost your job or illness struck. Suddenly, you're facing a mountain of debt. It's stressful and overwhelming. It's even scarier when that debt lands in collections. A collections mark on your credit report is a serious issue. Think of your credit report as your financial report card. Lenders use it to judge your creditworthiness. A low score means higher interest rates or even loan denials. Collections can drag your score down significantly. This can impact your ability to rent an apartment, secure a car loan, or even get a job. The good news is, you have rights. The Fair Credit Reporting Act outlines your rights. Understanding this law is the first step to reclaiming your credit health. Take a deep breath, arm yourself with knowledge, and remember that you are in control. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is your shield against unfair reporting. It ensures that credit reporting agencies maintain accurate information. This act gives you the right to dispute any inaccuracies on your credit report, including collections. Under the law, you can request that CRAs investigate disputed debts. This includes debts that aren't yours, are inaccurate, or are past the statute of limitations. Start by sending a certified letter to the CRAs. Clearly state the errors and provide supporting documentation. The CRAs have 30 days to investigate. If the information can't be verified, it must be removed from your report. If the information is indeed wrong, the CRAs must correct it. A few hours of research and letter writing can yield significant positive impacts on your financial future. Dealing with aggressive debt collectors can be intimidating. However, knowledge is your best defense. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act protects you from harassment and abusive collection tactics. This law puts you in the driver's seat when dealing with debt collectors. The FDCPA prohibits debt collectors from using threatening language, calling at unreasonable hours, or contacting you at work if you've instructed them not to. It also requires them to provide written validation of the debt. This notice must include the amount owed, the name of the original creditor, and your rights to dispute the debt. If a collector violates the FDCPA, you can take legal action. You can sue them for damages, attorney fees, and even stop them from contacting you altogether. This legal backing empowers you to negotiate from a position of strength. Use the FDCPA to protect yourself from harassment and ensure fair treatment. Understanding your rights can make a world of difference in resolving debt-related issues. Credit reports are powerful documents. They can impact your financial life in countless ways. That's why accuracy is paramount. 15 U.S.C. Section 1681. I reinforces the importance of accurate reporting by requiring credit reporting agencies to reinvestigate disputes. When you dispute information on your credit report, CRAs are obligated to conduct a thorough investigation. This includes contacting the furnisher of the information and reviewing any documentation you provide. If the investigation reveals inaccuracies, the CRAs must correct them promptly. This section of the FCRA provides an additional layer of protection against inaccurate reporting. By understanding and leveraging this legal provision, you can ensure that your credit report reflects your true credit history. Imagine this. Sarah, a single mother struggling to make ends meet, discovers a collections account on her credit report. She barely recognized the debt. Empowered by her knowledge of the FCRA, Sarah disputes the debt with the credit reporting agencies. After investigation, it was discovered that the debt wasn't even hers. The collection was removed and Sarah's credit score increased significantly. John, a recent graduate, found himself drowning in student loan debt. He felt helpless, facing relentless collection calls. However, after learning about the FDCPA, John realized the collectors were violating his rights. He sent a cease and desist letter and filed a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. The harassment stopped, and John was able to negotiate a more manageable payment plan. Your credit report is not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial health. Don't let collections dictate your financial future. You have the power to fight back and reclaim control. The first step is knowledge. Familiarize yourself with your rights under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. These laws are your shields and swords in the battle for a healthy credit history. Numerous resources and organizations are dedicated to assisting consumers with credit issues. Credit counseling agencies offer guidance and support. By understanding your rights, disputing inaccuracies, and managing your debt responsibly, you can pave the way for a brighter and more secure financial future. Take charge of your credit destiny today.